Utua Loan Review. Should you use it in 2025? Thinking about borrowing money from Utua in 2025? Let's break down everything you need to know: the good, the bad, and whether you should trust this app with your finances. What is Utua? Utua is a digital lending platform that claims to offer quick personal loans with minimal paperwork. You can apply directly from your phone and get approved within minutes, with loans typically ranging from due $5,000 to $100,000, depending on your credit score. Pros of Utua loans: fast application process, no collateral required, easy mobile access, suitable for emergencies or short-term cash needs. But here's what you need to watch out for: cons and user complaints, 2025 update, high interest rates, up to 20 to 30% depending on duration. Short repayment periods, sometimes as low as 7 to 14 days. Aggressive reminders and collection tactics. Risk of privacy invasion. Some users report Utua accessing contacts or sending warning messages to friends if you default. Is Utua legit or a scam? Utua is legally registered and not an outright scam. Many people do get their loans, but it's not a regulated bank, and their terms can be harsh if you miss payments. So it's legit, but use with caution. Should you use Utua in 2025? If you urgently need a small amount of money and can repay it quickly, Utua might help in a pinch. But if you're looking for low-interest loans or financial stability, it's better to explore regulated microfinance banks or credit unions. Tips before applying: 1. Read all loan terms carefully before accepting. 2. Don't borrow more than you can repay within the deadline. 3. Turn off contact permissions if you don't want the app accessing your phone book. 4. Check if your region has better or more transparent lending options. If you've used Utua, share your experience in the comments. Was it helpful or stressful? And don't forget to subscribe for more honest app reviews and financial tips.